free lip plumper.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that? They actually look like little cherries.
Balls.
It's also fun to swing around. And it comes with two different shapes, oval and round. Your lips must be clean and dry with no makeup on it. Dry, cracked, or inflamed lips prevent it from working properly. So I wouldn't recommend using it on that cold sore. Compress the pump and expel air. While the pump is compressed, pucker and wiggle your lips as far and deep into the lip pump as possible. Release the pump and relax your puckered lip while they are being pulled into the lip pump. When I was trying to apply it this way, it was coming off my lips, but once my lips were already in this device, then I squeezed down on it, which created the suction that I needed. Yay! Once you have created the perfect suction, leave the lip pump in place for 2 minutes. And you should be able to use it hands-free. Compress it and gently wiggle until it comes off easily. Oh my God.
Is it normal that my lips are blue?
Yes, the lack of oxygen will turn your lips blue, but it'll disappear in a few seconds.
It looks like I've been sucking on a vacuum.
Does it take longer for elderly individuals?
Yes, it takes longer because their lips aren't as hydrated and pliable.
If I have a mustache, can I use the lip pump?
Yes, but your mustache must not be too thick.
They look like I had a little bit of lip work done, but I don't think they look unnatural at all. My smoker's lines are gone. Now all that's left to do is put on a little lipstick and see the finished result. I'm actually really impressed with this product. I never in a million years thought that this little gimmick would produce such a great result. And I bought it on Amazon, and I definitely think you should give it a try.